Alright, making your sheet drawing. You're going to do new and use the GRHS Sheet A template. And your project name is going to be holes. And your period. And your name. Once again, all of this should be in all caps. Hit OK. So there it is with the correct information. I have the right sheet. I'm going to first do my base with my whole IPT. I'm going to do a little different here. I'm going to do my top. Now that's actually a little too big, so I'm going to down here where it has scale, and I'm going to change that to 0.75. And that makes it a slightly better size for my sheet of paper. And I am going to simply hit click right here and OK. Now what I want to do is a section view where I cut and I can see the inside of this. So I am going to go over here where it says section, click on that, come over here and click inside the red square. And it's always a little, there we go, got it clicked. And I want to go through the center, so you can tell going through the center on all those. I can tell because of the green dot. And then I click and I drop down so that it's lined up with that one right there. And then I hit continue. And that's not right, so I'm going to hit cancel. Let me try this again. Alright, section view. And section view. Clean dot, green dot, continue. There we go. Now, I want to go ahead and do, actually, I'm not quite happy with that yet. Try it one more time. Section view. I'm going to go over here, click on this section. I have my green dot. I'm going to be a little bit outside. Go through all the green dots and just a little bit outside. And then continue. The reason why is I wanted those little arrows there to look like that. So that's what I had to do to make that happen. And then I'm going to drop down right here and get the front view. And there we go. And then next I actually want to get an ISO. And I like that ISO view right there. Alright, then I'm going to right click. Okay. Double click in here. Make sure it is shaded. And hit OK. And then right here, I want to change this labeling. And take it off. So how I did that was right over here where the little light bulb is. If I click it, it's going to show up. And if I don't click it, it doesn't show up. And there is my IDW for my hole drawing, where I can see my holes. Notice that it has this here. So I can now go over here and annotate each one of these holes. And it is with all the correct dimensions. And then finally, I do need to, because they're holes, put my center marks. Alrighty, and we are now done.